Yes, sir. Coming to you live like Fox 5. It's your boy 100 Game Nate, back outside, and I'm in the Honda Civic Type R, and it is, as you can see, it is storming. So I want to give you guys a live broadcast of what the Type R does in the rain. We're gonna let this baby cool down, warm up a little bit. Then we're gonna go ahead and go for a rain drive. Yes, sir, we outside. And if you're new to the channel, you like cars like these, go ahead and subscribe to the MOC. That's me, Race Car Friends, Q the Chaotic, and Blueprint 1 LE. Now, Race Car Friends has a Subaru that's all-wheel drive, and he claimed that it's the best driving car on earth, but I happen to disagree with that. I think the CTR, the Type R, can handle its own, and we about to go see right now. Right now, I'm in sport mode. Let's go. Yes, sir, we in this rain right now. I barely can see anything. I feel like a blind person. If any blind person I've ever made fun of or made any jokes of about seeing, I'm sorry. Q the Chaotic. So we outside, man. We leaving the park. It look like a little mini hurricane going on. Y'all know how Florida be doing. You know, I ain't used to none of this. I'm a Georgia boy. We get rain and stuff, but out here in Florida, it's just different. Palm trees flying in the middle of the damn road. People dancing in the middle of the street. You know, Florida is wild. It's a different place, man. It's a mini jungle, might I say. You know, but me, we gonna take the jungle today in the Honda Civic Type R, the FL5 Honda Civic Type R. Yes, sir. Don't get it confused. Now, I can't see nothing. Hey, yo. Hey, I need to update my insurance policy because I can't see nothing. Bruh. Florida is crazy, bro. Like one minute it's storming like this, then 5 minutes later it's gonna start shining. Watch, I guarantee probably by the end of this drive, possibly, that it's gonna be shining. So right now, driving in the rain, I feel tons of grip, no slip, tons of grip. You know what I'm saying? She gripping the road real good. I'm not concerned. And one of the big concerns I had with the Z01 1LE is that she actually couldn't drive very well in the rain. Versus the Type R, you could drive pretty fairly in the rain. And it's crazy because one of the things that's a flaw to me in the Honda Civic Type R is the windshield wipers. As you can see right now, it's not really clearing much, and it's not going very fast. Like, this is the fastest speed right now, and obviously these Florida thunderstorms hit a little bit different. So if Honda could correct that one thing, it would make this a more complete vehicle. But every vehicle has its faults. You know what I'm saying? I can't really blame it. But right now, I can't see nothing. I can't see Nathan. And right now, to carry me through this, all I'm doing is basically, I'm looking at these yellow lines to carry me through. So that's why I got both hands on the steering wheel, you know, driving like I'm 100 Hamilton. And oh yeah, y'all get down in the comments, man. So we've been having this ongoing discussion in the MOC who the best driver is. Who y'all think the best driver is? Do y'all think it's me? Do y'all think it's Race Car Friends? Do y'all think it's Q the Chaotic? Or do y'all think it's Blueprint 1 LE? Because we're trying to get them down here. Me and Race Car Friends are trying to get Q the Chaotic and Blueprint down here so we can get a little race going. But I think them boys are scared because they ain't came down yet. Q saying he might come down in July, and he ain't said nothing. So I don't know what's going on with this. But yeah, we outside, man. I just want to give y'all a POV of me driving the Honda Civic Type R in the rain. It's a different type of content. It's not something I get to make all the time, and it's not something I will make all the time because in this rain you got to be focused. You know what I'm saying? And I want y'all to also let me know in the comments, is there an advantage to having a front wheel drive vehicle in the rain? I think it is, personally, because it feels different from the back end, because I feel like the back end goes out a lot quicker than front wheel drive. I feel like front wheel drive doesn't really go out as much, and I feel like you can get it under control faster because, you know, the steering wheel is connected to the front, you know, so I feel like it gives you a little bit more control over what's happening. Because in my Z01, man, once that back end go out, it's wraps. It's over for you. Let's do a light pull in the rain. Let's see what happens. No hydroplane. Okay, that was a little bit. Let me slow down before I end up in somebody's front yard watching TV with the neighbors. Yeah, like, facts. Well, yeah, man, the Honda Civic Type R, it handles tremendously, and in this rain right now, it's taking it on like a champion. You know, it's not It's not struggling at all. You know. And to be honest with y'all, like, this is crazy because this is the actual road where I crashed the Z011LE. It was on this road. There's a deep curve right here that I didn't really know about, and I was, you know, yeah, I ain't even gonna speak on it, man. I don't like talking about it. But yeah, man, the Honda Civic Type R is handling well in this rain. I'm really, you know, like I told y'all before, I've really been enjoying this vehicle, and I want to show y'all all types of content in this vehicle. I actually want to go to a desert. I'm gonna ask race car friends, is there a desert he know about that's over here in Florida that we can go to? If not, we're gonna have to go to where Blueprint 1LE is and go to Arizona and get some desert content. I always wanted to get some fire desert content. Might have to buy me a truck or something, or even might even take the Type R down there and see what it does in the desert. You know, like, might have to change up the tires a little bit, get some desert content going. You know what I mean? Somebody in the comments, y'all get down there and buy me lunch, man. You know, the MOC, the whole MOC owe me lunch. They ain't paid up yet, and I'm gonna need them to pay up. Cause I'm hungry right now, and since that's fresh on top of my mind, I need my lunch from Race Car Friends, Cutie Chaotic, and Blueprint. All y'all owe me lunch. No kizzy. But yeah, man, the Type R, it just handles beautiful, and it's beautifully in all situations. I'm happy to be a proud owner of the Honda Civic Type R. If you have the opportunity to buy one of these vehicles at a decent price, definitely go get it. Don't get knocked upside the head. Don't go do nothing over 10K. Really try to keep it single digits. If you're gonna do markup, try to do, I say, fight for 5K over. Fight for MSRP, hell. Be stiff as you can, possibly. But yeah, man, this car is worth every penny, and I'm glad that I was able to purchase it. I wish I could do some power slides in the rain, but I'm not that confident yet behind the wheel, and I'm not trying to crash this car. I learned from my mistakes on the Z01, so I'm gonna try to stay as calm as possible in this vehicle, even though it makes you want to drive it very fast, because this is just a driver's car. It's very enjoyable. Got people running through the rain. Go get it, mom. Go ahead and get it, mom. Yeah, get in that store. Don't get wet. Cutie Chaotic would want to see you wet though. But let's go. We outside. Look at that Tundra. That thing was hard. But yes, sir. I'm pulling up to the movies right now. Might go see a little movie real quick. Might give me a little breezy and go to see a movie real quick. You know what I'm saying? Pull up in the Honda Civic Type R, cause I'm that guy. But yeah, man, this is driving in the rain with the Honda Civic Type R. It's a POV, and now y'all know that this car can pretty much do everything. You know, I'm trying to see if it'll lose traction, and it's not losing traction. Yeah, it's not losing traction. Y'all see that? I'm going in circles and shit. But yeah, this car is pretty stable, man, and I love it. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you've been with the channel, I really, really appreciate it. Go ahead and get you some merch from 100gangclothing.com. Get some merch. It won't help. I mean, dang, I'm messing up. Get some merch. It won't hurt. It really helps the channel. And if you like cars like these, go ahead and subscribe to the MOC. That's me, Race Car Friends, Cutie Chaotic, and Blueprint 1LE. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the love and support. And we outside.